Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, if you've seen by the thumbnail, we are going to be talking about all things Bath & Body Works, Easter, spring. I'm super excited. I picked up a few things and then I know that they have more stuff released on their website, so we'll chat about that. But before we do get started, I just want to quickly address obviously a few things. We do have a huge giveaway that completed. We are still collecting things. I think I have some Jeffree Star lip gloss, some Jaclyn Hill stuff, and then like a Hello Kitty, and I think I have a few more things that are still coming in shipment, so we're still kind of gathering things like that. I did get my nails done finally. I've been wanting to do that for like the longest time, but I kind of struggle with them because like I type and things like that, but these are actually a really comfortable length for me and I can still put on eyelashes. So that's really cool. And this is my attempt at a free-handed duck. I know he's not the best duck in the entire world, but I feel pretty proud of him. And he's a golden duck that's going to be hanging out with us for today's video. So anyways, if you like these types of videos, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe down below. And then all of my Instagram, Twitter, TikTok videos that we do with like our cats and stuff like that are all down below in the description box. So let me gather all the Easter stuff that I got from Bath & Body Works. I'll be right back. Okay, so the first things that I did pick up are these Easter soaps. This one, it says, "Let's Get Excited," and it's Sunny Blue Skies. It's the gently foaming hand soaps with essential oils. This is what it looks like. They also did have the Happy Easter, which is a sun bunny berry or sweet bunny berry. Also the gentle foaming hand soap. And then they did have a third one. And this one is the Hop Hop Hooray. And it's the sprinkled donuts, the gentle foaming hand soap. And this one does say Happy Easter on it too, so I forgot to mention that. And then they also had this really cute ceramic soap holder. It's really quite tiny. It does have a little bit of a weight to it, but it's got like the bunny little whiskers and then the nose and the ears. I thought that was super duper cute. This is what I have displayed currently in my bathroom. I'm wanting to display these ones closer to Easter, I kind of think. And then they actually did have three wick candles. This one is the Happy Easter, kind of like the soap, but it has that design. And it's supposed to be Tutti Frutti jelly beans. It is its 3-wick candle. Let me show you the lid actually on these. It has like the same thing that like the soap holder has. It has like engraved bunny whiskers and nose. I thought that was super duper cute. This one to me does have a very strong jelly bean smell to it. It does truly smell like a jelly bean in my opinion. It is made with sweet jelly beans, mixed berries, and sugar lemons. The second one that we picked up is Let's Get Excited, but it's in the candle and it's supposed to be Marshmallow Fluff. Oh, that smells like a freshly made Rice Krispie bar in my opinion. So it's made with fluffy marshmallows, creamy vanilla, whipped sweet corn. And that is what the inside of that looks like. And then we do have Love Every Bunny. This is sweet carrot cake. This is what that looks like. And then there's the lid, of course. In my opinion, it doesn't actually smell like carrot cake. Like it smells like it very faintly, but I still smell a very stronger vanilla smell. So I did pick up a few other things, but before we go into that, I just kind of wanted to show you on my phone some other items that they do have available that I haven't picked up yet. I did see that they had like a single wick candle holder. It was really cute. It was like a little egg, but it had like little ducky legs. I don't see it on their website anymore. I'm pretty sure that did sell out, but it was super duper cute. Here you'll see the little bunny hanging off of those. I actually do have 4 of those, so I was really excited to pick those up. I feel like people got really excited for Easter because I feel like with Valentine's Day it was a little lackluster. Like they had 3-wick candles and single wick candles, and then there was like a heart light up plug-in scent. I think they're called wildflowers. And then like a heart like stand, like a big heart balloon stand. I wasn't really that impressed with their Valentine's Day collection. I wish they would have had like a water glow for Valentine's Day. So I was still using I call them frosty, but the snowman water globe up until when the Easter ones came out. They do have like a really cute little ducky right there, wildflower plug-in. I'm trying to see if they have any more. I did actually purchase these ones. This is in You Crack Me Up, which is Marshmallow Fluff for their single wick candles. Hasn't arrived yet. Hopefully it'll be here by Monday. And there's a little bunny one that they have there too. I think I actually have that one. I'm just waiting for it to come with like these small single wick candles. Somebody Loves You is actually in strawberry pound cake in the single wick instead of the carrot cake, which is actually one of my absolute favorite scents. And then they do have the Perfect Spring and Happy Easter. So these are the things that are still currently left on their website. It looks like they also do have a shower gel right there. I picked up everything that they had available at the time. I hope they come up with more, and I'm really excited that they did come out with what they came out with. So I have a few more things that I want to show you, and then I want to show you with it lit up all together. Okay, so like I said, I did pick up these 4 little hanging buddies. I only have 2 with me, but they are completely sold out. They actually sold out probably the first thing. I think they're super duper cute, and I think this is something that's new for Bath & Body Works, because usually it's a little magnet kind of something like this that sits on top of the candle, which is cute if it's not lit. We don't really get to experience it once it's actually lit. I'm not exactly sure how these will hang out once the candle's lit hanging off of it like that, but I thought that was a cute idea for something to actually use with the candle instead of just having it sit on top. All right, so my absolute favorite thing that I picked up, and I had to travel, and I usually don't leave my house, okay? You know, with the virus, I usually stay in my home, but I was so excited, and like I said, I was let down for Valentine's Day with Bath & Body Works. So I was hoping they were going to have a water globe, because I am a connoisseur, collector, gluttony, whatever you want to say, for their water globes. I have every single one that they have came out with in 2020. And then now the bunny, which would be their very first 2021 water globe candle holder pedestal. That's what they're actually called. I was actually alerted to it by a lady selling one on Macari. If you don't know what Macari is, it's an app that you actually can sell things on. She was selling one. I'm like, oh my gosh, where'd she get that from? And I actually went online. It wasn't available. I don't think it's actually available now anymore. It was for a very short time, but I actually had to travel to the Mall of America to pick up their water globes. But if you guys don't know, I'm from Minnesota, which the Mall of America is like one of our biggest attractions. But I actually did pick up 2 of them. But I want to show you guys this water globe. It is so beautiful and so gorgeous, and I think that more than makes up for the flop for Valentine's Day. Let me grab it. I'll be right back. Okay guys, so my absolute last product, but the absolute favorite, these are called Water Globe 3-wick candle holder pedestals. That is a very long word, but they are absolutely beautiful. And if you actually picked up any one of these, from the original pineapple to the pedestal, to the Halloween collection, to the Christmas collection, to the Easter collection, you know what I'm talking about, or if you've ever seen these. This is what she looks like. She does have her white base. It is like an on and off switch right here. I don't know if you can see that. It does take 3 AA batteries. It is big enough to fit the 3-wick candles, which I'll show you in a moment. But there's 2 little bunnies kind of playing in a spring, and like a spring field, and they've got like little tulips and Easter eggs, and there's like a little blue butterfly sitting on his nose, and then when you turn it on, little blue butterflies circulate all the way through this water globe, which I find is absolutely adorable. And I want to show you, I actually took the candle lid off of this already. Let me just go to the side and grab this, sorry. This is what the full display would look like. This candle I actually really love, even though it doesn't really smell like carrot cake. I think it's really aesthetically pleasing. And I do really like the smell, but here's what the actual bunny looks like sitting on it. And then here is the lit up water globe. And I actually will kill the lights here in a second so you can actually see what it does look like towards the end of the video with the lights off, if you were just to light it up in the dark. But I absolutely love this. This is very heavy, a very nice piece. This is probably one of my favorite water globes. next to the snowman, not the snowman I do love, but my favorite is the snowflake that they did, because the snowflake actually, if you, it doesn't have an on, hold on, sorry, it doesn't have an on and off switch like that. It has a slide to the right, slide to the left, so if you slide it in the middle, it lights up and the snowflake circulates, and there's like sparkles that circulate around it, but if you slide it all the way to the left, it actually plays jingle bells. So that is it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. It was short, sweet. We had a little kind of not perfect ducky hanging out with us, but I did my very best with it. I hope you guys enjoy these types of videos. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and thank you so much for watching. Remember, stay sexy and stay beautiful.